Yo, man, what's going on, guys? Fishing with BJ. Cycling on BJ Fishing, man. It's been a while since I've been on this, bro, because I've been busy trying to get situated with life. Got, grown man decisions. I had a lot of stuff going on, but we ain't gonna speak on that. Today, we're gonna be fishing a little hole over here. I'm gonna be using a crawfish type bait. It's gonna be Guggen Squad. Guggen craws, it might be another different type of craw, but we're gonna definitely use a Guggen craw. So we're gonna get out here. You can't see it, but that is a little fishing hole right there. Wild might go crazy right here. If you seen my video some months back, I did a brimfish catch and go before work. I had to go work at Shug, so stay tuned. We about to get over there and get ready. I heard a lot of people say the rooster tail is a real good bait. As y'all guys just see, I made a fish come off that structure. It's some structure right up in there. Like right here is some structure. And he got off. He was a nice sized fish. No lie. Probably about a pound or so. But he was nice. He was nice. Oh yeah. Gotta get that stuck inside of there. Go ahead and start reeling. But if I would have known rooster tails was this effective, yeah, I would have been started throwing these instead of worms all the time. I'm saying if I would have known. Like, see, I didn't know rooster tails was this effective. Like, them suckers, I get some fish, son. Like, I can tell by how that fish reacted to it. Like fish really be taking fun of this. And that's still crazy I lost that fish. I don't know. I'm fishing in the rain because I just want to try stuff. Oh, got him. Oh God, that's a fish. That's a fish. What kind of fish that is? He fighting good. Oh, pike. Look at that. Whoa, yeah, he a feisty one. Might need the pliers for him. That's crazy. Chain pickerel. That's fish number one. I just wanted to see, was this a real good effective bait? And it is. This is the best bait, son. Okay. I need to find out where I put my pliers at for the most part. Where are my pliers? Pliers, here we go. We got them. Oh my gosh. Oh, you gotta give me it back. Okay. Nice little one. He a nice fat one. Stow him back. Let him get big in here. I need you to make some little pike and chain pickerel babies. That's what I need you to do. Because I love catching y'all. So, make me some more kids. That's fish number one. Alright guys, we got 3 choices right here. A rooster tail. I think I'm gonna go with probably this white one. See how that goes first. Hopefully this is a good one to try out first. See, make sure you know. No dead line. Always gotta watch for dead line. You don't want to put on no dead line. Trust me, I done did it too many times. And it is no fun. Because you break off on everything you lose. Promise you. I done been there, done that. Okay. Got that. Scare that sucker. Ooh. Okay, feels good. I might try this at the lake. That's what I might do. This feels good. I feel like he can launch. Jesus, I ain't seen one of them spiders in a long time. But we not worried about him. fact, let's move him out the way. Cause that is a strong web that she got. For real, for real. Okay, I see something moving in that water. We gonna, oh my God. Oh, we got lucky. We got real lucky. We got real lucky just now. Look at this. Got real lucky. So we got a real tough web all on our bait, which is disgusting. So trust me, like I said, I ain't seen one of them spiders in a long time. Oh my God, we got something. Bro, I had a fish and I had a stick. What the world? What kind of fish was that? What kind of fish was that, guys? I had a fish and I had a stick. Something attacked it. I watched it when it happened. It was a nice hit. That was a nice fish. That was a nice fish. Oh no, I'm scared to get back over there. The reason why, because I didn't want to get stuck. That was a nice hit though. Dog, I don't think I'm gonna get that hit again. Oh, guys, I'm about to lose my stuff. Oh, I lost it. I feel like that was a good rooster tail. I just lost that rooster tail. That's crazy.